Welcome guys. On this video, I am going to show you how to disable autoplay on X. Now, X automatically autoplays the next video when a video finish playing. For instance, let's assume I am watching this video right now. When this video finish playing, the next one is going to start. So let me go ahead and move this to the end of the video. So let's allow the video to play and finish. So there you go, 1 2. Now you see, so whenever a video finish playing, it's going to play the next one. That is actually enabled on default. Now if you want to disable this, you notice this three-dotted icon on the top right hand area. Click on that, and then you are going to notice where it says autoplay advanced, rather auto advance enabled. Go ahead and click on that, and when you click on this, let me confirm, you can notice it's disabled. Most times whenever you disable a particular feature, just close the application and reopen it again. So I just close the app, open. It didn't close properly, it only closed the player. So I just close the app, then reopen X again. So now let's go ahead and play another video. Assume this, let me move it to the end of the video. So let's allow it to play, and let's confirm if the autoplay is still active. Now that is now disabled because you notice it finished playing the video and then start playing from the beginning. So that, guys, confirms that our setting works very well. If you're having issue doing this, let me know on the comment section. Apart from that, this is the end of our video. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.